Hey guys, over on our Facebook page, we posted a photo of this setup asking our followers to guess the price of this entire setup, including the fabric. We got some feedback on how much people thought this cute little newborn setup would cost. So we promised that we would come into our YouTube channel and do a deconstruction and let you know what the actual value of this newborn setup is. So I'm gonna start with this cute little sheep. I have my cheat list. I had to go to my PayPal account and see how much I paid for everything because you get so many props that I kind of lose track. And some of them I've had for a while. So this little sheep is from a company called Woolen Weasel, and we're gonna give her a she, was $15. So the little lamb, Woolen Weasel, $15. This little headband I've had for so long, I don't remember who it's from. This little headband, $15. This is what I used to wrap the baby in. So we actually photographed a baby in this setup. So this is what we used to wrap the baby in it. This was $20. This gorgeous layer, kind of a sage layer, is from Girlology Photo Props on Etsy, and this was $15. And I will leave links to all of the shops that I can remember in the description below. This gorgeous fuzzy little layer, just to add a little bit of texture, was also from Girlology Photo Props on Etsy, and that was $15. We did two different setups. One we put her in the headband, and one we put her in this cute little sleep hat. The sleep hat is $20. Then we've got this fun little layer that's just, again, more texture. We talk about in the course the different wraps that are good for wrapping. It's not one that's good for wrapping because it just doesn't have any stretch, but I use it for textures. I use it for textures. This wrap was $20. We're gonna exclude this because it's not part of the setup. It's just a little pillow that I used when we put the baby in there. I obviously don't want her head against the roughness of the bowl, so we put the little pillow there. And it was free, so free dollars. This bucket, a heart-shaped bucket, and when I shot this, we shot from up above so that you could see the shape of the heart, so we shot from above. $125, and this came from Western Bid. That's what my PayPal receipt said. I don't know who that is. Then, if you're looking at the gorgeous star fabric, this fabric underneath came from Manly and Pretty Little Things, and it was $32. So that makes the total, if I got everything, $287. And I'm just going to reconstruct it. We deconstructed it so we could look at each item and what it was worth, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to set it up for a newborn. So my lights are always here. Baby's head is going to be here, so I want the pillow here so the light's hitting the baby's temple. Then I laid down this texture just underneath, and it gives me something to hide the pillow. Then we laid down this fuzzy texture. I want the bowl to show the shape of the heart, but it's okay to have a little bit hanging over the edge. And then we kind of draped the sage like this, and then we wrapped the baby in this. We gave her a headband, and I had her snuggled like this, holding the little sheep. So that's our setup. That's our first Price is Right answer, $287. Did you guess right? Did you guess higher, or did you guess lower? Thanks for hanging in with me while we did this. Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell so that you receive notifications every time we post a video. And now I'll see you later.